Welcome to my YouTube channel Electronics with Rajat. In this video I am going to make a solar mobile charger. I have used 10 microfarad capacitor, one more 10 microfarad capacitor, 7805 voltage regulator IC, and a solar panel. 7805 IC ratings. Pin configuration of 7805 IC and the applications. Place the voltage regulator on the middle of the breadboard. Connect the ground pin to the ground of the solar panel or battery. Ten microfarad capacitor to the pin 3rd means output pin, and 10 microfarad capacitor on the input pin. Connect positive wire of solar panel to the input pin means pin number 1, and ground to the ground of the IC. Now connect USB cable to the output of the voltage regulator IC and connect your mobile for charging. Subscribe my channel for more videos.